watching my YouTube channel. If you have not yet, please go like, subscribe, and share. You know, sometimes you just wake up and you're like, I'm bored. I need something better to do. So what better thing to do than to color your hair? Okay, so it's backwards, but this is the Cream of Nature color. It is the ginger blonde. So I love Cream of Nature. I've used it before. I colored my hair back in 2019, and so it's been a while, and all my color grew out. I'm gonna show you guys my hair. I'm so excited. I'm gonna let you guys know the products that I'm gonna be using. So I do have 2 boxes of this. I have a processing cap, I have castor oil, and I have jojoba oil, and I just bought my favorite thing in the world. I bought cholesterol. You guys, when I tell y'all I love cholesterol. Now, I'm a licensed hairstylist. I'm a licensed cosmetologist, and when I was in hair school, this is what we used for like our practicals, for our relaxer and color. They tell you to use this just, you know, as a test. When I tell you I love cholesterol, it makes your hair so soft. Like, it's the best conditioner, and I haven't used it in years, but I was like, you know, I need to start using this again. So I do have some. I'm not gonna try and take it out right now, but I do have some cholesterol. So this is great for dry hair. Color dries your hair. I have to say, if you use color, if you use lightener, anything, it is going to dry out your hair. So you need to pack your hair with moisture to prevent it from breaking off. So I'm extremely excited. Let's get started. Okay, so a couple things when you do this. First of all, okay, it's kind of turning a little bit. I have used a whole one of these things, and I didn't even do my roots. So that's why I think 2 or 3 boxes is definitely necessary if you're gonna do this. Second of all, make sure that you're in an open space. Please do not do this with the door closed in your bathroom like I just did. I had to open a window and I had to open a door. This smell is so strong that I'm like, what the hell? What? I mean, I'm gonna keep going with it because I already started, but it's really, really strong. Do not do this in a closed space. Make sure you have ventilation. So now I'm gonna go ahead and open the second box. Wow, I'm really not seeing a difference. Okay, so this is it. I'm about to rinse it out now. I'm in love, honey. I cannot wait for this to grow out. And that's the other reason why I got this color, because when my roots grow out and I have that black transition to the orange, it's gonna be so pretty. So, Lord, I almost fell. I gotta rinse this out though so I can go get my baby. Okay, guys. So I'm not sure why it looks so dark. Like, it looks really dark. Okay, it's the lighting. Okay, this is too bright. This is the final look, guys. And I have not, so you can see it. It seems like on my hair, this part, I do have a line of demarcation, which I'm not too happy about. But this is actually the darkest part of my hair. So, because it's the part that lifted it took the longest to lift. So I kind of do have a line of demarcation, but overall, if you can see right there, I did not get my roots, which I'm not too happy about. Right here, it's not too bad. It's just like the middle of my head, I didn't really get too well. But it's okay because my hair grows really fast anyway. So all of this is just going to grow out. So I will show you the back. I love it, guys. So this is the back. The thing that I think is really cool about this, and yeah, I did take my makeup off. The thing that I think is really cool about this is the fact that I did use my ring light to kind of speed up the process, especially towards the front, which I never thought about that, but it does say on the box, like, light exposure could affect the way the color takes. So that's pretty cool to learn. The line of demarcation is right here. So it's actually not too bad. But if you can see it, it's like right here. And then right here, it's dark. And then right here, it's like an auburn. So I'm really excited. My hair is super dry. I have to say, my hair is super dry right now. So my hair is super dry. So I am going to be using my, take this off. So I am going to be using my Queen Helene's, I'm going to be using this conditioner. I swear by this stuff. When I tell you guys, I've used this for years. I stopped using it a while ago because I couldn't find it. And now that I found it again, this is it for me. Like, I don't even need to buy conditioner. This is enough conditioner for me. And this stuff, it just lasts forever. It's really good, like, as far as the penetration of your hair, and just, it always makes my hair really soft. So I'm going to use this. I have rinsed out all the color. I'm going to use this in addition to my oils. And I'm going to do a conditioning treatment, really good. I'm going to let it sit for, you see the hair coming out? I'm going to let it sit. Now, that's not too bad. I don't feel like I've lost a lot of hair. I know my ends are very dry. So I'm going to get this on here as soon as possible. Y'all, my fiance, soon-to-be husband, has not seen my hair yet, and I have no idea what he's gonna think. He's gonna be like, I don't like it. Or if he's gonna be like, I love it. It's just amazing. Come here, baby. Okay, so I'm about to go to get ready for bed, but I did my hair in 4 big twists. The biggest one being in the back, the smallest one being up here in the front. And yeah, so tomorrow when I wake up, I will take these out and, you know, we'll see how it looks. I twist the bottom so it can have a curl to it. Alrighty, so I will see you guys tomorrow. Good night. Bye. Okay, guys, so I'm about to run out with my family, so that's why I'm not able to, like, get makeup on and do all that good stuff. But this is the final look. This is the final look. As you can see, my roots are a little more blonde, but I'm extremely happy. I literally just had my hair back in a ponytail, and I like this because it just like, it's just fly to me. I love it. It's fly, and it just makes me want to wear my hair out all the time. So my hair is probably gonna grow really fast because I'm not gonna put it away. Like, I might do some twists, but I'm probably gonna wear my hair out for the summer just because I'm so excited. Now, I am gonna have to deep condition my ends but my ends not up anyway. I don't know why. I probably need my ends trimmed, but they not up. It's not really anything I could do about that. That's just kind of how my hair is. Now, I did have it back in a ponytail. And you guys, this is just like regular to me. This is just like regular day hair work. Okay, sorry. I got this egg on my face or whatever. I put some aloe vera on it earlier. I definitely look about 10 years younger. Not 10 years, but this makes me look very young, this hair color. It's giving Khalees, except it's a little bit shorter. I might add some tracks to it, y'all. But it's definitely giving Khalees. I hate you so much right now. And you know that's my girl right there. You guys, I look like a freaking teenager. This is not good. I don't look like a 29-year-old mother. But I love it. It's so summer. It's so cute. All right, I'm about to take some pictures out.